checklist. Okay, fine. The generic application form. Okay, so this we have already seen in the checklist in the account. Background declaration 5669. Offer of employment to a foreign national. IMM0247. Was it there? 0247. Let's check. Yeah, it's here. Offer of employment. Okay, fine. We'll go through that also. Schedule 1 0248. Do we have? Yes, that also. Recommendation certification 0249. Okay, this also we have. All right. Let's keep going now. Supplementary information 5562 we saw. Additional information. Use of a representative 5476 if applicable. So assume in this case we are doing our own, so we don't need. So related to the forms, look okay, because all the things that we have seen populated here are covered as per the checklist. Travel document, passport, okay. Proof of language, this is also okay. Proof of education, okay. That includes ECA, yes. Proof of previous or relevant work experience, letter of employment, pay stub. Do we have this proof of previous relevant application? Proof of education, no. Proof of previous work experience is not here. So probably this we need to add. How we can do? Yeah, see? Okay. So this in this way we can add this and upload. Fine. Proof of funds I think was available, but why not to verify? Proof of funds not here, right? So that also we need to add here. That's why it's very important to go for the checklist. So that you know what you need to get it. Identity and civil document. This was there, I think. No, okay, no worries. We can search for here. Identity and civil statement. Tailored information if applicable. So in our case, let's say not. Police clearance. You must get a police clearance certificate from each country or territory where you have lived for 6 months or more in a row since the age of 18. Okay. And strongly encouraged to submit with your application. Perfect. Photo, fee payment. For fee payment, we had photo, police clearance. Yeah. So you need to save it and upload. You can save it by clicking the save. So we know what are the